All residents.
Hello, this is Gina DeMont. I'm calling about my son, Brandon.
Oh, yes, Mrs. DeMont. This is Rosa Andrade. He's not here. He's with my daughter at our house.
Oh, yes, I know. I talked to her a few minutes ago. They called me. Oh. But I'd like to call them back, so could I have that number, please? Of course.
It's 555-5737. You should be able to still catch her. Santana said they'd stay till after supper time.
Oh, good. I just wanted to tell her that Summer and I are about to start driving back.
Oh.
Rosa? What is it?
Wait. Oh, it is. The house is coming down. It's a terrible earthquake.
My God, I can feel it too. Rosa? Rosa, are you there? Rosa? Oh, God, what is that number? 555... damn it! Yes, operator, could you get me the phone number of the Andrade family in Santa Barbara? Could you please hurry? What? What? The lines are down? Are you sure? Yes? Yes. It's centered in Santa Barbara. Well, then if we felt it all the way down here... Oh, my God! Brandon.
We have a major cold front moving down through the Rockies and westward into Idaho and Washington. That means storm warnings for most of the western half of the country, including the southern and the northern Sierras. Now, if that's not bad enough, we have... Oh. Felt like we had a little earthquake there, folks. Oh. How about that? Remember, you heard it here first. Oh, boy. I wasn't kidding. This is really it.
Better relax, kid. It's a long ride back to the slammer.
Oh, he knows the ride, don't you, Perkins? Only this time, it's going to be one way. This time, they'll probably throw the key away on you.
Not saying a lot anymore, is he?
See what's on the radio, huh?
Yeah. Hey, that's weird. Can't get anything.
All units, an earthquake. Report to emergency centers. Major disaster. All units.
What's that?
Earthquake?
It can't be.
Look out up ahead! I can't hold